What is righteous, I can feel like the dancing and it's dancing from a distance. When I stop sing dancer, oh, I be. Them one away, them one away, them one away where you're from. Them one no real meaning of righteous side. So them a pray like a nectar and a bee. That's okay.
A secret.
What's going to happen in the American election?
Maybe who saw Bano. Oh, and then me can't cry na omun Sunday. Me can't cry no be any so bani be man bigina. Ma sorry. Me preaching am say ha who saw baby kuta America for flag. Na be man be person different nisem. Na obana man ho anya dia be man beji. Ba be man be try ya wontumi. Satam cry na nya obana be man. And no obi akra ni.
So where are we now? Who's going to win the American election?
Oh, sunsumu mom there. The lady obana be fa.
But physically?
Obana be fa.
Okay.
Because onu nekutano.
So that's a prophecy that we can note down as well.
Oh.
Reverend also been says Hillary Clinton will win the American election.
Papa ekutano.
But
now we are sure say obeji.
I don't know.
Manfo, Ghana fo, Ashwefo ni Tifo, Common Sense family, Free Minds family, SSK, Substance Tokobna, Yellow Movement family. Michiobia. I am one Muslim for righteous messenger of name. Yes, righteous messenger in the flesh once again. And son ever cosuno. Mpeseme da mashofo. Enemy T4. Subscribers ni viewers. Midamose. Na enye baya enye boni. Eya adisua adwuntwani asembisa. Na eneno makon video bia Owusu bempa or bomodin ana or try to obey disprove common sense. A man for Mr. Mo, young kosher video no na yembra na yemba kaya dream ana yembe bon common free home.
Because the minimum say the group no or say from common sense. But one thing is also who say your major sense. Your minor sense and your common sense. Senses no uchemu miensa. Se miensa ni nyina ye adwuma e na major sense. Se mienu ye adwuma e minor sense. Se bakopa ye adwuma e common sense. Ufi common sense na oba big fool. Enunti na can feel say can you question to use the word common sense? Or some could use word we say major sense. Nimi saying a yeduma. There's a senses no miensa the mubako pen a yedumo. That is one grade from big fool and one back common sense. Into a sad tiba Netika Krabia will rap big fool. Sentino to be cancer, no one a contradicting itself. Say, I don't believe miracles. I feel a while say, by miracles. And a man with me survive. Who said, Utian in Sambia. And so the Yansam, Adani Jimmy. I will claim so. Almost, and to know me, feel say, Anka, or won't cancel the word common sense, no more use major sense.
But when you use no call. We all because it major sense, not me saying answer so near to man. So, what I say, and then you will major, minor, and some common. So, we are sending near to man. And we'll bet my use. Now, they say, no, one use back. Don't go for major crana. Upper say, what's my friend or doctor?
Not just a fact. And tell say, what cut you quote according to size. Now, Yamini Penny. So free major sense and some about minor wisdom. There be about common wisdom, no about minor wisdom, and some about major wisdom. The honor would do a natural say, who read supreme or supremacy. Even minor sense grow. No about the do major sense. Say, well, greedy calling back up. If you big fool, now call common sense. Say, honor. Draw back from calculating you are done a big fool. enti na do tan dia no aba bi funu kakra no common sense no won say ho ano ne na montimi nko nani because obi oni nyansa bia emfa dia utia ade no utia bible no mpe ebrade no unyini ni eso ne crofo nko ahon sam na woka means you don't have major sense the kakra metimi aka
papa da se
next week here me dey
nti amanfo so wo hwe video no a Uzbempa o kase yo minor sense. Sorry. O see ye common sense. Ye free one about minor sense. Ye free one about major sense. So free one now I call minor wisdom, major wisdom, and then I call supreme and now supremacy. Asem na o kan mean tears ye o. Now I say Mashishim, mako internet so, mako Google mu, mako Wikipedia mu. And so me there's nothing like major sense, there's nothing like minor sense. Nothing like minor wisdom, there's nothing like major wisdom. Oh. Na se me boguma, me bo major wisdom and minor wisdom no guma near banoni senses no. Search no and research no I catch me said there are 5 senses, which is sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Just a sight, hearing, smell, taste, any touch. Na asem na osube mpaka no mintiasie analogy no ana analysis no meaning baby okofa free say eyam na dream mu ono na wa deduce sa thesis where and I say probably no be what forms the minor sense or what forms the major sense. And TSC and yes sir, it's like you're just making yourself look stupid because you are trying to disprove what is the set standard or the norm. Na me call internet ni so me hwehwe common sense so. Common sense ya me bogu so na bae. I see common sense is a sound practical judgment concerning everyday matters or a basic ability to perceive, understand, and judge that is shared by nearly all people. Nti amount for common sense no dey ewo mu. We share common sense no me bogu internet no so no and dey EPA in temtem. And so major sense no any ho, minor sense no any ho. And so subempa no me nim say attempt the no person or the attempt because no dey attempt the no ofa no kwa o ofa no kwa. Na o say from common sense no, then you go down to big fool. Mavwasebo that ye common sense for no ana ye leader no Avraham Moshe no. Yeah, we are going back and forth from common sense to big fool. You're free common sense and I conform to big fool. You're free big fool and I come one step to common sense. Like we can't progress beyond common sense. Sanse when you enter a dream. Also bempa your opinion. So back as my Johnny amu the journalist no suti ho or encourage no catching the papa we there enter a dream. It's just encouraging. Follow back. Just accepting what someone is saying without any form of research. I'm for me cry in some of my catch share mono about say 5 senses. Me bought major sense and a minor sense good internet so it doesn't come up no. I'm for me sremo mamun jimin di mo koye mo research. Se na mika de bia no. Se an dodo no a obi wo phone. Majority wo phone data go su. Ogum hwehwɛ search engine bogum deɛ na yɛ major sense deɛ na yɛ minor sense ma boa gum enyimpie, which means it's just made up. Amanfo also bempa when you judge me na so yansa when you amanfo me di agrodie we beba awie wo ha emo amusum for righteous messenger wo hunemu ai ebese hia biom me da ahwefo ani etiefo ase atamfo ani adofo me dom nyina bye asundwe peace.